All right, guys, this is going to be a video how I put on the Stingray R package, the Jake hood graphics. It's actually turned out really good and pretty simple. Here we go. All right, now I have cleaned the center where the decal will go with soap, Dawn soap, and rinsed it. And I also did a light clay bar. You don't have to, but I did just in case. Get everything nice and flat. So the temperature, it says, needs to be between 60 and 90. We're barely 60. So I'm gonna get started. These templates seem pretty simple. They're already shaped to fit right in the center of the logo and then up to the point of the hood. So you basically just line that up. You peeled off the backer first, which this has the backer on it. I was just gonna show how the template is. The other side is the same. Pretty simple. This is the backer peeled off. I've got it lined up, and you just squeegee out the fluid. You start in the middle, and you squeegee it out. That's it. So I peeled the backer off, and now you just raise the hood, and this edge, I'll use a heat gun or hair dryer, and you heat this up and you just slowly curl it under the other side so it shows that it's continuous. Okay, here's the second portion of the hood. I've got it lined up. It's pretty simple to line up. I'm just debating on how I'm going to put it down. They say take the entire back off, you wet the hood down, you wet the back of the decal, and then you line it up. But when I was doing the small portion, I don't know if I don't have enough soap. It's basically just 2 or 3 drops of soap in a squirt bottle of water. So it's like nothing to it. But it doesn't move as freely as they make you think. So it's got these little notches. The notch lines up to the edge of the hood, center point to the center. These line up to the exact shape of the hood. So that's pretty simple. It's just now, I've done sign and work before with vinyl, and you can basically put painter's tape across the middle and use like a hinge, peel it up, keeps it in place, peel it up, and take the back off and do half at a time. So I'm just debating right now. We'll see. What we've decided to do is to do it like the directions say, to take the entire backer off and wet both sides and line it up. But we did line it up dry, and we're putting painter's tape as an extra guide where these corners will go. And now we're just gonna give it a shot. Got it in place. Now it's just a lot of these air bubbles. If you can see them, you just slowly start in the center and you start working them out. See them push down, getting the fluid and everything out. It overlaps on the top. You'll heat the edges and roll over underneath. So now it's just a game of getting all the air bubbles out and taking your time. This is the final product. Use the heat gun, got the edges warm, folded right under, and also at the hood, the top of the hood, just fold them under. So I'll go back and double check the edges, but pretty sharp. Still debating about the sides, if I'm gonna put the ACS rocker panels on or not. But that's how you do the hood decal. Pretty simple.